Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing a well-marbled pork piece because fat gives flavor and texture. Combine cure ingredients precisely. Salt preserves, sugar balances, Prague powder prevents botulism and keeps color. Massage the cure into the meat, then seal it tightly. Remove air to ensure even contact. Once done, place the pork in the coldest part of your fridge for several days, flipping every 12 hours to redistribute juices and achieve consistent curing throughout the piece. After curing, rinse the pork to remove excess surface salt, then dry it until a tacky pellicle forms. This helps smoke adhere. Preheat your smoker to 200 to 225 degrees. Use hardwoods like apple or hickory for balanced flavor. Smoke steadily, monitoring internal temperature. Aim for 150 to 155 degrees to cook through while retaining juiciness. Once smoked, you can roll and press the meat in cheesecloth for visual uniformity, then cool before slicing to set the shape. Finish by rapidly cooling the pork roll in an ice bath or fridge so it firms up for neat slicing. Firm meat slices cleaner and holds shape. Slice thin for classic sandwich use or cut thicker for pan frying. When frying, use medium heat so exterior crisps without drying the interior. If you taste excessive salt, make sure to soak slices briefly in cold water or milk and pat dry before reheating. That reduces surface salt quickly without losing the cured character you work to build.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.